guys! Welcome back to my channel guys. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin ko. So gusto ko kasi guys, magpa-practice ako ng pagpipintura kasi baka maging construction worker ako guys. So marunong ako magpipen. So guys, tingnan niyo guys kung marunong ba ako magpen kasi dito guys, tapos na ako din nagpintura dito guys. So dito lang sa kisame ng CR guys. So subukan ko guys kung marunong ba akong magpen sa kisame guys, para pag maging construction worker ako guys, so may kalalagyan ako guys. So, start guys.
I was as wrong as I could be to let you get away from me. I'll regret that move for as long as I'm living. But now that I've come to see the light, all I wanna do is make things right. So just say the word and tell me that I'm forgiven. You and me, gonna be better than we were before. Loved you then, but now I intend to open up and love you even more. This time you can be sure I'm never gonna let you go. I'm gonna hold you in my arms forever. Gonna try and make up for the times you so. Gonna hold your body close tonight. From this day on we're gonna be together. Oh, I swear this time I'm never gonna let you go.
Looking back now it seems so clear, I had it all when you were here. Oh, you gave it all and I took it for granted.
But if there's some feeling left in you, some flicker of love that still shines through, let's talk it out. Let's talk about second chances.
Wait and see, it's gonna be sweeter than it was before. I gave some then, but now I intend to dedicate myself to giving more. This time you can be sure I'm never gonna let you go. I'm gonna hold you in my arms forever. Gonna try and make up for the times I hurt you so.
So, thank you for watching guys.